Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N61 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code. We have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings, which will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So we have to open the settings. Right here in this list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Let's tap on it and then tap on the status, which is right here. And as you can see, right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Of course, we have to tap on the specific one to show the information about it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.